So I'm making chocolate covered raisins today, and I'm melting the chocolate in a water bath. So basically the water goes in there. I'm gonna wait a little bit, and then in here I already started melting the first chocolate. So I will melt a little bit more. This one got hard, so I'm just remelting it. I could use a little bit more chocolate, but it's the last batch. And then I stir the raisins in there, and then we'll take them out and let them cool off. Yum, yum, yum. Chocolate smells so good. And then here I have a couple of chocolate covered raisins already. I just took them out. Some, they got stuck together. That's okay, the more the better. And once they're cool and hard, then we're gonna eat them. And I'm gonna eat the chocolate off the spoon now. That's what the cooks are allowed to do. Chocolate. And you can cover anything with chocolate. Same way with water bath, you can do strawberries, whatever you want to cover. I tried raisins today. Delicious. Alright, I'm eating the rest of the chocolate off here. Alright, the chocolate is dry now, so we can eat them and put them in a little box.